Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Today I'm gonna show you banana pancakes without milk, wheat. Like my channel, subscribe it, see you later.
Everything what we need for the banana pancakes are 4 eggs and 2 bananas. And that's it. I also like to have in it Greek yogurt, pecans, cashews, linseed, pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, hemp seed, and at the end, honey. I really take care about the honey that I only buy a local one. The best is around the corner, not far away from your home. And the chia seeds we will put in the end. Okay, then we start to prepare the bananas. We take the smallest knife you can find. I know I'm not the best guy to look up how to work with knives. That's pretty it. We mix everything together. Now look at this, and now we put two spoons of chia in it. Mix it good. Before we go to the oven and bake the pancakes, we will fix our nut mix. Then we can just use the pan we already had. Take the seeds, the hemp, the sunflower, pumpkin, linseeds, cashews. We will chop the cashews and the pecans. Why do I use so much different nuts? It's because I think they're amazing healthy with vitamins and the minerals in it. Now we chop it. If you want to know how I hold my fingers at chopping, you can see that video already made about an onion. It's actually the same technique. Take a good oil, don't use cheap oils. Put the pancakes in the pan and bake them longer than usual. Go down with the heat. Flip it, and at the moment you wait until I finish my pancakes, you can subscribe my channel, push the like button and follow me on Instagram, guys. I really appreciate it that you look at my video. If you have any wishes about some videos on how to cook, I will make for you. Just write it down in the comments. We take some paper and clean the pan, not more. Heat the pan up and put the nuts in. Take care that they not burn. Man, I wish you could smell how tasty it is. As I already said, for myself I like to have good honey, Greek yogurt, lactose free of course, and my nut mix. I wish you a lot of fun to try these pancakes at home. They are really amazing, really fast to do and delicious. See you guys.